Oh. Hi guys, I'm doing a video and my name is Emma. We're gonna do a slime video. We're gonna create a slime, but first, hi. Please leave a like and subscribe. It'll really help me. And there's an ad.
Gorgeous. Beautiful.
Seriously. Sorry. Where's the X? So there. Leave a comment down below. Should we do glossy, metallic, or glow for the next one? I'm gonna do metallic for this one. Can do two colors. Leave a like, or never mind. How about green? No, black. Well, here we go. Let's get green. Speckle. Let's go with, let's go with the fruit. Let's do the fruit glow. Okay, go back. Put that in there too. Wait, I gotta make it glow. Okay. Leave a like or leave a comment down below what we should name the next one. But I'm gonna go to a different game and do a different